Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how this boombox speaker Kingone K5 works. So we have the box made of metal, good for the gift. So let's open this, and here we have our speaker. So it's a very small lightweight speaker, and here you can see you have two speakers, so it's a stereo speaker, and on back you can see the different music playback modes. You have the aux line-in option and the card reader, TF card reader, and as well you can play with the Bluetooth. And on top you have this touch panel. So let's turn on the speaker and test the sound.
蓝牙已开启 Bluetooth mode has been on.
And here I have my phone, and let me connect it. Kingone.
已连接成功 paired.
And now you have your phone connected to the speaker. And let's go to the music and play the music. So as I already checked, it fills the room with crystal clear sound, and it has a 6-volt speakers which is very loud, and I guess it's very good for the music lovers. So if you like the review of this speaker, so you can buy it at our website www.littlethings.com. Thank you folks for watching.